Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on lattice theory, lecture number 11, in which I will discuss on isomorphic lattices. Now we define isomorphic lattices. Let L1 and L2 be two lattices. Then the lattice L1 is said to be isomorphic to lattice L2 if there exists a 1-1 mapping F from L1 on to L2 such that F A meet B equal to FA meet FB and FA join B equal to FA join FB for all AB belongs to L1. Now we give an example. Let L be a set containing elements 1, 2, 3 and 6. This L be a lattice under divisibility relation, and another lattice PS with partial order relation subset, where S is a set containing elements A and B. Then lattices L with divisibility relation and PS with partial order relation subset are isomorphic. We will have to show this. Now we solve this. Let S equal to a set containing elements A and B. Therefore power set of S will be set of all subsets of S. That means PS contains phi, the set containing elements A, set containing elements B and set containing elements A and B. Also given that L equal to a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 6. The partial order relation in L A is related to B means A divides B, and operations meet and join operations. A meet B equal to GCD of the set containing elements A and B. A join B equal to LCM of set containing elements A and B. Again, partial order relation in PS is subset and operations A meet B equal to A intersect B and A join B equal to A union B for all capital A, capital B belongs to PS. Let us define a mapping F such that L is defined on L into PS as follow. F1 equal to phi, F2 equal to the set containing elements A, F3 the set containing elements B, F6 the set containing elements A and B. Here we see that F is 1, 1 and on 2 because each element of PS has pre-image, that is onto, and 1 1 also we see here f1 equal to 5, f2 equal to the set containing elements A, f3 equal to set containing elements B, f6 equal to set containing elements A and B. This denotes 1 1. Now we shall show that these two properties also hold. Since 1 meet 2, here meet means GCD of 1 and 2. GCD of 1 and 2 is 1, implies that f of 1 meet 2 equal to f1, here f1 equal to 5. So we write here 5, this is number 1. Now f1 equal to 5, f2 equal to set containing elements A. Now f1 meet f2 equal to 5, here meet means intersection. 5 intersect the set containing element A and intersection is 5. This is number 2. From 1 and 2 we get f1 meet 2 equal to f1 meet f2. Similarly, we may show that for any A and B belong to L, f A meet B equal to fa meet fb. This is number 3. Again, 2 join 3. Join means LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now take f of 2 meet 3 equal to f6. f6 here, f6 is the set containing elements A and B. This is number 4. Now f2 is the set containing element A, f3 is the set containing element B. Now f2 join f3. f2 join means union. f2 means set containing elements A and f3 means set containing element B. Union of these two sets is a set containing elements A and B. From 4 and 5 we get here 4, here 5. Same result right side. So left side f2 join 3 equal to f2 join f3. Similarly, we may show that f A join B equal to fa join fb for all AB belong to L. Therefore, f is an isomorphism and the lattice L with divisibility relation is isomorphic to lattice PS with partial order relation subset. Now we describe the example 2. Let L be a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now consider the lattices L with relation divisibility and other lattice L with relation less than equal to, where we have here mentioned that this relation is divisibility relation on L and this relation is usual less than or equal to relation on L. Then lattices L with divisibility relation and L with usual less than or equal to relation are not isomorphic. We shall show this. Let F be a mapping. F is defined on L with divisibility relation into L with the relation less than or equal to. Here L contains element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. We take two elements 3 and 4. Since in divisibility relation we know that meet means GCD. 3 meet 4 equal to GCD of 3 and 4. That is equal to 1. Now taking function in both sides, function of 3 meet 4 equal to function of 1. This is number 1. Now we take another lattice L with the relation less than or equal to. Here F3 and F4, if we apply meet, this meet means here denotes the least element. The relation is less than or equal to, then we get the least element in this case. Least element will be F3 or F4 depending upon whether the F3 is less than or equal to F4. This equal to F3 if F3 is less, and equal to F4 if F4 is less. That is F3 meet F4 equal to F3 or F4. This is number 2. In 1 we have seen that F3 meet 4 equal to F1 and F3 meet F4 equal to F3 in 2. Therefore F3 meet 4 not equal to F3 meet F4. Here. Therefore, L with divisibility relation and L with relation less than or equal to are not isomorphic. Now we prove a theorem, theorem 1. Statement of the theorem is, if the lattices L and M are isomorphic and F denotes an isomorphism, then F preserves the ordering relation. That is, for any A, B belong to L, A less than equal to B implies that FA less than equal to FB. We shall have to prove this. Let F is a mapping and that mapping is isomorphism defined on L into M. Let small a small b belongs to L such that A less than equal to B. If A is less than equal to B, then we know that A meet B equal to A, the small element, in the case of meet. We use F in both sides. F A meet B equal to FA. Since F is isomorphism, therefore F A meet B means FA meet FB. Right side is FA. If this relation exists, means FA meet FB equal to FA, that means FA is less than equal to FB. So we have started from here. A is less than equal to B implies that FA less than equal to FB. Therefore, F preserves the ordering relation. Theorem 2. Let L and M be two lattices. If F is an isomorphism of L onto M and A is the least element of L, then FA is the least element of M. Proof. Let A be the least element of L. Therefore, A is less than equal to X for all X belong to L. This is number 1. This is the property of the least element. Since F is an isomorphism of L onto M, and since F preserves ordering relation, therefore from 1 we get FA less than equal to Fx for all Fx belongs to M. This is number 2. Since F is onto, because F is an isomorphism, so F must 1, 1 and onto, and hence for any element Y belongs to M. This is L and this is M. F be the isomorphism. Here if we take any element Y, then it has pre-image in L. Let X be the pre-image, then Y will be equal to Fx. So Fx equal to Y. From 2 we see that Fa is less than equal to Fx for all Fx belongs to M. That means Fa is the least element of M, and proved. Now we prove theorem 3. If F is an isomorphism defined on L onto M and xy belongs to M such that x is less than y, then there exist elements A and B belong to L such that Fa equal to x, Fb equal to y and A less than B. We shall prove this. Since F is an isomorphism, therefore F is 1, 1 and onto. Here F is onto and xy belongs to M. Therefore, there exists an element A and C belong to L such that Fa equal to x and Fc equal to y. This is the property for onto mapping. Now, if A join C equal to Fa join Fc, since F is isomorphism, Fa equal to x, Fc equal to y, so x join y. Since given that x less than y, therefore x join y will be equal to y, larger element in join. Again, since A less than equal to A join C, it is obvious. This is number 3. So, two types of probability we may get. A equal to A join C or A less than A join C. If we take A equal to A join C, then FA equal to F A join C equal to FA join FC, and this is equal to Y. Since here F A join C equal to here number 2 Y. FA equal to X and this is equal to Y. So here we get contradiction since X less than Y according to our given condition. So 4 is invalid. If we take A less than A join C, we take A join C equal to B. So A less than B. Then FA equal to X and FB equal to FA join C. Since B equal to A join C and FA join C equal to Y. Here FA join C equal to Y. Hence proved, that is A less than B, we get FA equal to X and FB equal to Y. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.